Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, let me quickly show you the way that you can fix the Facebook tagging problem. If you're not being able to tag people, there are a few things that you need to ensure. First of all, make sure that you add in a @ so that the profiles of people start to appear. Also, you need to ensure that these people that you're trying to tag are friends with you on Facebook. If you are not friends on Facebook, then you may not be able to tag them. Also, the person you're trying to tag may have disabled that option. So the person that you've tagged may have disabled the option of tagging, so they simply need to enable this option for you to be able to tag them. So try to see if this is the issue with you. If this is not the issue, what you can also look out is try to update the app of Facebook. So head over to the Play Store or the App Store, search for Facebook, and just update the application if you do see new updates available. Updating applications helps to solve any sort of bugs or glitches which might be causing this issue. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now tag people. If you're still having issues, what you can also try out is try to log into your Facebook account using a web browser, whether on your laptop or on your phone, and try to see if you can tag them. I do hope this guide video helped you out in solving this issue. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving it a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.